Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss social responsibilities of business. In this, what is the meaning of the social responsibility? Social responsibility of business towards different groups. Social responsibility, as per the Adolf Berle, it has defined the social responsibility to public consensus. Social responsibility is a nebulous idea, noble idea, to fulfill the obligations towards socio-economics as customs, religions, traditions, level of industrialization, other norms and standards related to public interest and socio-human-like values such as moral, cooperation, motivation, and self-realization. Every business is the part of total economic and political systems. It is the center of network of relationship to person, groups and things. So an entrepreneur or businessman, therefore, should consider the impact of his actions on all for which he related. So the businessman has been considered as a trustee or benefit to the employees, the people who are investing the money, customer, public nations, and entire social globally. There are four different groups: a social responsibility towards businessmen or entrepreneurship. These are below. One is towards the consumers and the community, towards the employees and workers, towards the shareholder and other business, towards the state. So if we talk about towards the consumer and the community. See, if you are running the business, if you are running the enterprise, every enterprise is having consumers, customers and users. And also who is using some community, they are using the product or service. For the service and product, it is a responsibility of the entrepreneurship businessman that he should have the production, he should produce the production, cheap and better quality goods and services by developing new innovation skills and technique, by locating factory and market at proper places and by rationalizing the use of capital and labor. Means it will give the area wise, the rural or other areas, it should give a job, it should civilize the area. Leveling out seasonable variation in employment and production through accurate forecast, production, scheduling and product diversification. Deciding priorities of the production in the country interest and conserving the national resources, providing for social auditing, honoring contract and following honest trade practices. Dishonest trade practices like making misleading advertisement, correct? People should not give wrong information on the media, misbranding of articles with respect to their material, ingredient, quality, origin, etc. Making real consumer needs as the criterion of the selecting manager to be given product advertisement. Nowadays, current advertisements seek to create wants like public no longer buy soap to make them clean but buy the promise to make beautiful. Toothpaste is brought not to the bacteria but the create white teeth. I personally has here problem. I tell you what I had with the paste. My teeth was really giving some sort of uneasy and pain. I have changed the paste. It become all right. So of course that particular product was on media. It was different. They were claiming different things. So we have to have product we should use. Actually should, if people use it and apply it, it should give proper treatment of this to the people. Social responsibility continuations. The second topic is towards the consumer and the community. It is the responsibility of the business, of the person, of the businessman, of the entrepreneurship towards consumer and the community. Cars are brought for prestige rather than travel, right? Of course, we know it. People see car is because it's a four-wheeler vehicle. It is for actually it is a safety, and mainly it is a safety, but it become now in the what you call society. It become a prestige of the people. Even foodstuff are brought for vitality, not for nutrition, of course. This kind of advertising promotes over-consumption, forces consumers to constantly compare themselves negatively and others, create in them dissatisfaction with the old and out model, preventing the creation of monopolies. Yes, this should not happen that we are doing wrong tactics of making your monopoly in the market, so that the people who are having monopoly, they are making the price their own choice. Monopolies are bad in that they make the community face high prices, short supply, and inferior quality of the goods. Of course, no doubt, it is true. So there are so many competitors, so many products should be there, so many branded products should be there in the market. For that, it should be a people, they should not, other businessmen, entrepreneurs, they should look at, that the people, not only they should produce the product which is becoming a competitor for the monopoly, providing for after sales services, of course. Here I should tell you, I tell you, once upon a time, Bharti Mobile, when Reliance and Tata came into the market in the mobile and service provider, Bharti Mobile, who is now the owner of the Airtel parent company, Mittal, he told how to survive. These two are gained in the business. They can, even then, how we are going to survive in the market. So they told, we'll say some slogan, and the slogan should be true. Like, if the connectivity will provide to everyone, and today if anybody wants to buy the mobile, they say we want connectivity, it goes to Airtel, and that is the reason they have survived in the market. So this is the way we have to, service is important. Ensuring hygienic disposal of smoke, wastage, voluntarily assisting the making the town environment, it should not spoil the town, mud, water, environment, air, pollutions. It should not increase the level of the pollutions, so that children's, human being, their health will be affected. That we have to make, that is the responsibility of the businessman. Achieving better public relations, it is not like we are doing the only, our way. We should motivate, we should civilize through relationship, we should guide our public, surrounding areas, surrounding town, other things. Supporting education, slum clearances, similar other program. It is not the things we should invest some of money, we should some activities of the, so that our surroundings, town, etc., they will be more educated people, and then this should not be developed of the garbage, more garbage. It should be hygiene, it should be there, and other program which should help to the society. We have towards employees and worker. Third one, of course, no doubt, the people, if somebody has told, if you want to be success in the business, there are two factors are very important. One is employee, you should take care of employee, and customer, consumer. If your employees are good, they are happy, and they are they are the people who making any company, any enterprising success. And others is workers, The workers, if you come to workers, you must be knowing that the people, there are three types of manager: top, middle, and low. But first line manager, they handle unskilled people, unskilled person, that is known as worker. The fair wages to be given to worker. There should not be a gap in the worker and manager, first line manager. Everybody has the requirement to run the family, and that should be given proper. This should not be this as per the rules and regulations of the workers and job, etc. by the government. Lay down the rules. Just selection, training, and promotion without any discrimination of the ground of sex, race, religions, and physical appearance. We should not be biased. We should be very normal. Should be neutral to every sex. Should not be making any our own priorities of our caste, custom, everything, or people. That should not be there. Social security measures and good quality of work, of life, of course. Social security measures, any product which we are making in your industry should not harm the peace of the people. It should not be having a very high level of the noise and spoiling the underground water, so they develop the disease in the people, children. We have to maintain such a way. We have to work our in company. If it is water, we are using outlet that we should, before throwing dirty or chemical affected water, we should use sewage treatment plant that goes to cleaning the water, and then we should throw it out of the company. Good human relations, industrial peace, creating conditions for collection bargaining, educating workers to promote their own leadership and participative management. Yes, we have to have some of his schemes. So it should develop, we should educate workers, their skill, and so that we should provide them training. We should give some freedom, transparency, respect to everyone, and self-realization. People should feel that they are getting respect in the company. Towards shareholders and other business, this is the last responsibilities of the businessman entrepreneurs. We are promoting good governance through internal accountability and transparency. We have to promote fairness in relationship with competitors. We should not play dirty business, dirty politics to let down the competitors. We should have a fair and healthy base upon ethics. We should maintain our business ethics and professional ethics and fair play rather than the rules of warfare. Business sometimes treat their rivals as enemies. Yes, we should not do. And try to harm each other by malicious propaganda. We should not harm the people. Price cutting, it should not happen. Big gain, big people, money people, they eat away big fish, eat away small fish. It should not be there. We should respect. Everyone has to come up. Everyone has to live in the society. So price cutting should not be so that you are in loss, should not, and other people should not let down to close their company. That practice should not be there. Interference of production and distribution. So these are the 4 responsibilities of the businessmen, of the entrepreneurs or new startup people. They should maintain their professional ethics. They should maintain business ethics. And that is why we have completed in this particular video. Thank you very much.